Why does my Python script say, file not found? Imagine you are trying to open a file in Python and suddenly see a message that says the file was not found. It can be confusing at first, but don't worry. This message simply means Python cannot locate the file you want to work with. When you run a Python script, it looks for files based on the path you give it. If the path is wrong or the file isn't where Python expects it to be, you'll see this error. One common reason is that the file path you entered is incorrect. For example, if your file is on your desktop but you only type the file name, Python will look in the current folder where the script is running. If the file isn't there, it can't find it. To fix this, you need to give Python the full path to the file. On Windows, that might look like C, plus users plus yourname plus desktop plus example.txt. On a Mac or Linux system, it could be users yourname desktop example.txt. Another reason is that the file simply doesn't exist. Maybe you misspelled the file name or the file was deleted or moved. Double-check the spelling and location of your file to make sure it exists where you think it does. Sometimes, files have tricky names with special characters or spaces. These can cause issues if not handled properly. To avoid this, use quotes around the path and escape special characters if needed. A good way to prevent the error is to check if the file exists before trying to open it. Python provides a function called osPathExists that returns true if the file is there and false if it isn't. You can use this to make your script smarter. Wrapping your file opening code in a try except block is also helpful. If the file isn't found, your program can catch the error and respond gracefully instead of crashing. For example, you could print a message saying the file wasn't found and then create a new file if you want. Here's a simple example. Try with open example txt r as file data is equal to file read except file not found error print the file was not found. With open example txt w as file write this file has been created. This way, your script can handle missing files smoothly. When you're working with Python basics and setting up your environment, understanding how to specify the correct file paths and handle errors is key. It helps your scripts run more reliably and saves you time troubleshooting. Always remember to check the file's location, spelling, and whether it exists before trying to open it. Using absolute paths instead of relative ones can also make your scripts more predictable. If you keep these tips in mind, you'll be able to fix the file not found error quickly and keep your Python projects moving forward with confidence.